Dwi'n mwynhau i'r ffilm Porc Pie achos mae'n wirion a ddiddorol. Fy hoff gymeriad oedd Donald achos mae'n dwp. Dwi ddim yn hoffi Helen achos mae'n ddidflas. Byddwn ond rhoi sgôr i'r ffilm yn pedair seren. Mwynhauais i ddim Porc Pie achos mae'n wych, ond mwynhauais i ddim yn ffilm Porc Pie achos mae'n wirion. Fy hoff gymeriad oedd Cyw achos mae'n ddoniol. Fy gas gymeriad oedd Mam achos mae'n cymeriad. Byddydd i'n rhoi sori ffilm 3-7.
Mwynhauais i ffilm Porc Pie achos roedd ddifrifol iawn. Fy hoff gymeriad oedd Helen achos roedd hi'n ddiddorol. Boedd yn rhoi sgwylio i'r ffilm i 5 seren.
Today we watched a film called Porc Pie. I liked it achos mae'n wych. My favourite character was the mum because she really was stressed a lot. And I would give this film 5 seren.
Mwynhauais i ffilm Porc Pie achos roedd hi'n ddiddorol iawn. Fy hoff gymeriad oedd Helen achos mae'n wych. Mae byddwn yn rhoi sgôr i ffilm seren. I like this film called Porc Pie because it's like really funny. It's about this like little boy with his dog. My favorite character is David and his hen/chicken because it was really funny and it was some parts he was hilarious. I would rate this 5 seren.
I like this film called Porc Pie because it wasn't one of those films you just sat there for hours hoping something would happen. But this one was really short, which I liked. I would rate this film 5 stars.
Mwynhauais yn ffilm Porc Pie achos roedd yn ddiddorol iawn. Fy hoff gymeriad oedd Kenneth achos mae'n dwp a wirion. Fy gas gymeriad oedd yn Mam achos mae'n Cymru. Boedd yn rhyw sgôr i'r ffilm 3 seren.
Mwynhau i ffilm Porc Pie achos roedd hi'n ddiddorol. Fy hoff gymeriad oedd Mam achos mae'n dwp. David with chicken, and out of 5 I would say this film is 4.
Today we watched a film called Porc Pie, and I really liked it, achos Roy Dorion. My favourite character was David and his chicken, achos Roy Ian Wirion, and I would score this pedwar 7.
Today we watched Porc Pie. I didn't really have a favourite character. It was about, he really had a mean mum and the kid was always shy. Achos mae hi'n ddiflas, I would rate this 1 out of 5. I like this film Porc Pie we watched today because it was like really like there was panics all the time and it was just like chaos. My favourite character was Mam because she was panicking a lot. I would rate this in 7.
Mwynhauais i'r ffilm achos roedd yn ddoniol a roedd yn dangos bod gweud celwydd ddim yn talu ffordd. Y cymeriad gorau oedd Mam achos roedd hi'n panico am bob peth. Rhoi I sgôr o 5 i'r ffilm.
Mwynhauais I y ffilm Porc Pie achos roedd yn ddoniol iawn. Fy hoff gymeriad yw Kenneth achos roedd yn wirion iawn, ond fy gas gymeriad yw David achos mae'n dop iawn. Byddwn i'n rhoi sgôr I ffilm 2 seren.